Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. This is the easiest way to work in with data entry tasks. First of all, we need to create a table and type here the headings of the table. Name, city, address, mobile, email. Then we should create these headings as the table format. Press Ctrl T, take the my table as headers, then OK. Go to the file, options, customize ribbon, and then select here commands not in the ribbon. Then find here as form tab. Here create a new tab. I will rename it data entry. Then add the form here, form into the true. Okay. Now you can see the new tab data entry has indicated here. Now go to the form, then you can see the name of this datasheet headers are indicated here. Type anything here and press the new. Now you can see that all the data that you have typed shows here. Hope you guys have got a good knowledge about Excel data entry form. See you on next chapter.